Hi students, today I want to show you the presentation of the mensuration topics, volume and surface area. Already previously we have done with the surface area of the cone and sphere. Now I am explaining you about volume and volume of sphere, hemisphere and cone. Before going to that, I will show you that how that terms are derived and how that 2D figures turn to 3D figure in class 9. So we'll go with the class 9. Already we have done previously about volume of cuboid and different things. Now I am going to explain how that volume of a cylinder and volume of a sphere. Once we will go through that. So we'll go with the volume of right circular cylinder. Already we done this in your previous class. Now in this class we have cone and sphere. We'll go with the volume of right circular cone. See that the cone is nothing but this is the volume. It is in the volume of cylinder, that is 1/3 volume of the cylinder. We have to explain this by using the simulations. Once we observe that the basic thing is cone volume is 1/3 area of the base into height. So area of the base is nothing but pi r square. So 1/3 pi r square into h. So we'll see how it is happening. I'm go with simulation directly. Once you do observe this, objective is to give a suggestive demonstration of the formula of volume of a right circular cone. What is meaning of cone? Already we know. Concept of volume, how much it can hold, is called the concept of volume, and formula. So now we'll go with, first I will generate the cone. Yeah, so this is the cone I have generated. So and then I will take the cylinder also. So cone is drawn, cylinder is drawn. The cone radius is r and cylinder height is h. The cylinder radius is r and height is h. Now the next thing is we have to invert the cone. So we'll fill something sand with a jug. So I am filling the total cone with the sand with the help of a jug. So I have done with cone. Now after filling up to the rib, up to the level of the cone, so I will take the cone which is filled with sand. Now that sand was poured into the cylinder. So the total whatever I have filled in the cone, that is poured into the cylinder. So that is one cone I have done. So after pouring that, now I am repeating the process until the cylinder is full. So I will click on the jug and I will take that cylinder and the total sand is filled with, total cone is filled with sand, and that cone is inverted again to pour into the cylinder. So what observations we have done? See, already for the first cone it is filled, only 1/3 of the cylinder was filled. So second cone I have poured all the sand which is filled in the cone into the cylinder. So now 2/3 of the cylinder was filled. Now again I am repeating the process finally. So I am filling the sand, the total cone with the sand. So this is the third time I am filling. So after filling the sand, now I will pour into the cylinder. So when I pour it to the cylinder, once we observe, the total cylinder is filled by the third cone. So what have been observed here, what observations we have done? With the first cone we got only 1/3 of the cylinder, second 2/3 of the cylinder, for third cone the cylinder is completed. So for each set 3 pourings from the cone to fill the cylinder completely. Therefore, the volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder of the same height h and same radius r. So that is nothing but 1/3 pi r square h. So this is the thing we have to go with that. So you can have some more questions here, how to solve by the given the radius and the height of the cone, how to find the value of volume of cone. Thank you.